Hey everyone, David here. I know there's a lot of you researching how you can create your own clothing brand or maybe thinking about opening some type of print on demand business. One of the problems that a lot of people are running into is that they don't have the money to hire an artist or a graphic designer or may not have the personal ability to draw any type of digital art. That's okay because you really don't need to do that to get started in this business. We often get the question is how do we design images for t-shirts and other print on demand items pretty often. There's a lot of people in that boat, and there are a lot of people who have been successful in the print on demand industry that have started with that same problem. Listen, there are many different tools out there that you can use, some free, some expensive. We'll cover some of those in a future video, but today I'm excited to share with you a website called Placeit. The website is pretty cool and has both tools and templates that you can use to create your t-shirt mockups. The website has an impressive library of over 50,000 ready-to-use templates that you can use to create your new designs. They even claim to have the largest collection of mockups on the internet. If you want to view the website yourself, I'll drop a link in the description below the video, so go check that out and try it out for yourself. So when you come to the website, you'll know that they have a free account version, which gives you limited access to the templates. And then they have a few priced options, which one you can pay monthly at $14.95 a month, or you could pay one time for an annual fee of $89.69 and have it for the entire year. And that will give you access to the full database of templates and logos. So as you can see, when you go into the mockup generator, there's over 27,000 mockups that you can use for your website or your designs. There's 1,752 freebies that you can get with the free account. And then there's 3729 t-shirt mockups, over 1,300 activewear mockups, and over 600 hoodie mockups. They also have mockups for art prints, beanies, blankets, hats, bags, and so on. So let's say you have a killer Halloween t-shirt that you want to get up before the Halloween season. So let's look for Halloween themed images. So when the page loads, you'll obviously see a bunch of mockups here that you can use for your design. You'll have some cartoonish type designs, some mug shots. If you notice, the bag changes. All kinds of different images that you can use to mock up to your designs. So let's upload a design to a logo. We're going to select this one. And then we'll be taken to the mockup generator tool. It's pretty simple. You'll see some options to the left and some options to the right, but it's all self-explanatory. So let's upload an image by clicking this image button here. Once you do, you just got to find the file that your image is on your computer and click the image. There'll be a window that pops up, as you can see here. So one thing that I notice about this, if you leave this here, the image will more likely show on the belly of the mock-up, and that's not something that we want to do. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to move this up just a little bit and then click crop. And there it is. The image is on the t-shirt. So what if I want to change the shirt color? All I have to do is just go to the right here and select the color that I want for my t-shirt. I chose black, and this looks pretty decent. So you also have the option to add text to the mock-up. This isn't necessarily to design a t-shirt. It's just used for like sale text or something like that to kind of overlay the image. You can also upload your logo as well. You also have access to the database of graphics here to the right as well. You can select the image to overlay the product. Just like the text, this is not to design a t-shirt. It's just for some text overlay on the mock-up if you want to do that. We don't want that, so I'm going to press no image. Now that we're happy with the design, all we have to do is click the download button to download our design. There should be a window that pops up just like this one that will start processing your mock-up. It may take a few minutes for it to be ready. Once it is, all you got to do is just like these, is click here to download the image. They will also send an email to your registered email account, and that will provide you a way to download the image as well. So you're also probably thinking, yeah, this is great, but what about the design? How do I design the image to upload to the t-shirt mockup? So let's take a look at that. So if we go to the design section, we'll be able to enter the thing that we're looking for here. Let's say we're looking for a dog. Place it, we'll search this database and bring you the most relevant themed dog images they have in their database. So there's a ton of options here. You can literally spend hours trying to find the right design for you. But for this purpose, let's try this image. So when you click on the image, it takes you to the tool. As you see, this is somewhat similar to the mockup tool that we use for the t-shirt mockups. Again, it's a very, very simple tool to use. Here's the text. To change the text, all we have to do is copy that and write our text, and it'll change right on the graphic. We can also change the font here and change our text color here. You can do that with the bulldog text that is below too. You also have the option to add more text if you want more text space. You can upload a logo like you did before here too as well. So what if we want to change the circle color? All we have to do is come over here to the circle color box, change it there, and it does it in real time, as you can see. So let's change the color of the dog. Pretty simple. This one changes the hat. So as you see, there are a bunch of little graphics here. Now what if we don't want this dog? All we have to do is click on the image that we need, and it instantly changes on the image. What if we change our mind and wanted a cat version? All we'd have to do is type cat in the search bar and you'll get a bunch of cat images. And again, you just click on the image that you want and it'll automatically pop onto the graphic. If you don't necessarily know what you want for a graphic, you can kind of leave this box blank. And then you'll have access to a bunch of different images that you can use. Pretty cool, pretty simple. So this background thing is something you'll probably want to pay attention to. So if you use sites like Printify, you probably want something that's transparent. So you can do that in the background box. Just select this clear box and the background will become transparent. Once you're ready to go, just like the t-shirt mockup, all you got to do is click the download button and follow that same process to get your graphic. And then you can take that graphic, go back to the t-shirt mockup if you want to use that, and create your own mockups. Again, if you want to check this website out, I dropped a link in the description so you can go right there and head right over. So another cool thing, it doesn't limit you to t-shirts and t-shirt mockups. You do have the ability to create logos here too. It has a huge database of logos that you can use to make your own logo. So that's a pretty interesting bonus to this. They also have video features. You can create slideshow videos, Instagram stories, intro templates, product demos, and Instagram videos. Yeah, they have a ton of stuff here, as you can see up in this menu bar. You can make starting Sue screens. They have a free image cropper, banners, business cards. So yeah, that's Placeit. Hopefully you can find this useful in your next journey to creating new graphic designs for your t-shirts. If you found this video to be helpful, don't forget to give us a like to show your appreciation, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you get notification when we drop a new video. So till the next time, go check out Placeit.